Namaste. In the last class, we have studied word problems based on multiplication and division of money. Today, we are going to discuss about preparation of bill. How to make a bill. Bill is a written statement of the money that we pay for the goods. Here, goods means things. See the first question, that is, Ishan went to a stationery shop. Stationery shop means writing materials. That shop has writing materials and office materials are there. That is stationery shop. See, I bought 3 rulers. Then 3 rulers for rupees 35 each. 1 ruler 35. That way 3 rulers. Then 2 scrapbooks. Scrapbook means that is a blank book for drawing or sticking pictures. That is scrapbook. Scrapbooks for rupees 210 each. 1 scrapbook 210 rupees. That way 2 scrapbooks. Then 2 diaries for rupees 89 each. 1 diary 89 rupees. That way 2 diaries. Then and 1 stapler for rupees 55. Then first question is make a bill. Then second one, if Ishan gave 2 rupees 500, gave 2 500 rupees notes. 2 500 means how many rupees? 500 plus 500? Yes, 1000 rupees. He gave 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. Calculate the change that will get back. How many rupees he got back from the shopkeeper? Okay, the 2 questions are there.
See, first question, make a bill. See, this is the preparation. This tabular column is a preparation of bill. Item, that is ruler, scrapbook, diary, stapler, ruler, scrapbook, diaries, stapler. Then quantity, ruler 3, scrapbook 2, diary 2, stapler 1. See the question. From the question, ruler 3 rulers, quantity 3, then 2 scrapbooks, here 2 diaries, 1 stapler. Then next one, rate per item. Per item means 1 item. 1 ruler 35 rupees, 1 scrapbook 210 rupees, 1 diary 89 rupees, 1 stapler 55 rupees. From the question, see, each means 1 ruler 35 rupees, 1 scrapbook 210 rupees, 1 diary 89 rupees, then 1 stapler 55 rupees. Then cost, here 1 item 35 rupees. Here we want to find 3 items, 3 rulers. 1 ruler 35 rupees. We want to find the amount of 3 rulers. That means 35 into 3. 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 balance, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So that is 105 rupees. Then scrapbook, 1 book 210 rupees, 2 books 210 into 2. 0, 2, 2 2s are 4. That is rupees 420. Then diary, one diary 89 rupees, two diaries, 2 nines are 18, 8, 1 balance, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17, 178 rupees. Then one stapler, that is 55, 55 rupees. Need only one stapler, so that is 55. Total, here 5 plus 0, 5, then 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 8, 1 is balance, then 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 7, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 5, 1 balance, then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7, 758 rupees. Amount of, here second question is, this is the preparation of bill, that is the first question. Second question is, if Ishan gave 2 rupees 500 notes to the shopkeeper, Ishan gave 2 500 rupee notes to the shopkeeper, calculate the change that he will get back. How many rupees he got back? See, amount of 2 500 rupees notes. 2 500, it means 1000. 2 into 500, 1000 rupees. It means Ishan gave 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. Here the total amount is 758. He gave 1000 rupees to the shopkeeper. After taking this 758, balance how many rupees? That is 1000 minus 758 is equal to 1000 minus 758. 0 minus 8 is not possible to subtract. So here we take, here 0, 10, here also 1 take 9, here 10, here also 1 take 9, here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 7, 2. 242 from the shopkeeper. Ishan will get back rupees 242 from the shopkeeper. Okay. See, next question. Meera had rupees 250. She bought a sports cap for rupees 180 and a cup of ice cream for rupees 20.50. Prepare a bill for her purchases. How much change does she get back? See, what's the meaning of this question? Meera had rupees 250. Meera had how many rupees? 250 rupees. She bought a sports cap for rupees 180. Sports cap how many rupees? 180 rupees. And a cup of ice cream for rupees 20.50. Ice cream how many rupees? Rupees 20.50. Question is, prepare a bill for her purchases. How much change does she get back? See, first prepare a bill. Item, what are the items are here? Sports cap, then next one, ice cream, rate per item. Per item means one item. Rate of one item. Here she bought a sports cap. One sports cap rupees 180. One item, that is one cap equal to rupees 180. Then next one, a cup of ice cream. 1 cup of ice cream, that is rupees 20.50. Here quantity 1 cup, then 1 ice cream. Cost, first one rupees 180, that is rupees 180, one item. Next rupees 20.50. Okay, here only after the point 2 digits, here no point, no digits, so we put a point, and here 2 digits, so that place we put 2 zeros. Then we find total, that is 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, point 0, 8 plus 2 10, 0 1 balance, then 1 plus 1 2, 200.50. Change due, how much money does she get back? Totally, already she had 250 rupees, then 200.50 rupees she bought something, 200.50 rupees, then balance 250 minus 200.50. Here no point, so we put a point. Here 2 digits, here no digits, so we put 2 zeros. Then 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 5, is it possible to subtract? No, so we take 1 from left side, here 0, so we go to next number, that is 5. After taking 1, the 5 becomes 4, and here 0 becomes 10. Again we take 1 from this 10, 10 becomes 9, and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 5, then point, 9 minus 0 9, 4 minus 0 4, 2 minus 2 0. It means 49.50 rupees. 49.50. See, next one, complete the bill. Next, calculate the total amount spent. Complete the bill. Item, strawberry jam, honey, peanut butter, lemon cream. Strawberry jam rupees 48.00 per item, one item. One bottle 48.00. Honey, one bottle 125.00. Then peanut butter, one bottle 98.00. Lemon cream, one bottle, that is rupees 156.00. Quantity, 4 bottles. We need 4 bottles. This one honey, 2 bottles. Then peanut butter, 3 bottles. Lemon, 1 bottle. Here the rate is only 1 bottle's rate is given. We want to find first one 4 bottles. Find 4 bottles cost. It means 48 into 4. 4 8s are 32. 2, 3 is balance. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. That is rupees 192. Then 1 bottle 125. We need 2 bottles amount. It means 125 into 2. 2 5s are 10. 0, 1 balance. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2. 250. Rupees 250. The next one, 98. 3 bottles. 1 bottle's cost is given We want to find 3 bottles. 98 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 4, 2 is balance. Then 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 2, 29. Rupees 294. Then one bottle's lemon cream is given. Cost of one bottle lemon cream is given. We want one bottle, so same rate, 156. Total 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 0, again 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 2 is here, 1 is balance. Then 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 9, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. 9. 2 is balance. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Rupees 892. Total cost is rupees 892 rupees. 892 rupees spent.
Today we discussed about bills, preparation of bill, how to make a bill. I think you understood today's topic. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.